welcome to my video. I'm really excited about this one because I just bought the Heat Contemporary box, the most expensive one. I know a lot about Heat, so I'm excited to unbox this with you guys. Sorry for my attire, it's freezing, I'm in London, but let's just get into it. Failed at the first hurdle. So Heat is a new fashion concept where you can buy these boxes with fashion items within them, and they have 2 to 3 items of designer wear, and depending on the box that you get depends on the type of items that you get within the box. So everything from the £250 box gets you value items of £500, all up until the box that I bought, which is the £990 contemporary box. But the value of this box is between 1.5 and 3.5k, so it's a massive discount, and you don't know what's in the box or what you're getting, what designer you're getting, until the day you get the box. So it's a very discounted, but it's also a mystery surprise. Okay. Woo! Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm actually getting a bit hot now. I don't celebrate Christmas, but like this whole PJ thing going on is like Christmas. I've just woken up on Christmas morning. It's a crisp day, and I'm about to open my Christmas present from Father Christmas. Wow, Heat. Yeah, just get over it now. Ah! I think I've got 2 items here. Oh, I thought I was gonna get 3. So this is the first one. It says Givenchy. So it's this Givenchy bag. So this bag retails at 2.2k and it's sold out. This is what I just changed, by the way, guys, because I feel like you guys need to see what it looks like on nice clothes instead of my prison gear. Anyways, Givenchy silver, you know, you can wear it with everything. I'm wearing it with, you know, my marine serre and jeans.
Attends, t'en as autant de...
It's a nice bag, but I just don't think it's like my style. It's a bit bulky here, and I don't really like this strap. The chain is nice. Maybe hold it like this. I just hate having a strap, like when it's a material, it just looks a bit rubbish. I just take out my phone and wallet, really, and it's got like a zip here. So if you're into like those bulky bags, then this is the bag for you. Also, Givenchy, I don't really think Givenchy is known for its bags. Like, I wouldn't go to the shop and buy a Givenchy. If I was like, okay, I'm gonna treat myself, I'm gonna buy myself a really nice bag. I don't know why I'm so out of breath. I wouldn't go to Givenchy. No! Mix the Celine. How's that song go? Mix the Prada with the Celine. I love Celine, so I'm excited. I think this is going to be like a wallet or something. Let's have a look. Ooh, sunnies. Green sunnies. Hexagon green sunnies. Interesting. Very interesting. Oh, high resolution.
Resolution.
Okay. These are absolutely awful, and they're so big. Like, look at that. They don't even fit on my face. I do have really small ears. If anyone needs an ear model, let me know. I like a color block sunglasses. These just don't fit my face. Like this lower bit here on them. Yeah, no. And also, again, I wouldn't buy Celine sunglasses. Like, if I was gonna buy sunglasses, I wouldn't buy Celine ones. But to be fair, they do, I like Celine as a brand. Okay, so this is the last item. This is the 3rd item. Oh, it's a lovely jumper, really lovely. Where's it from? Totem. It's really thick, it's heavyweight. The stitching is really nice. I don't know if you can see that. Let me try it on.
One eternity later.
So the jumper's nice, but it doesn't look good on me. It looks kind of frumpy, but it feels really nice. Let me just stand over here in this lighting. I'm kind of disappointed with the box so far. I mean, 3 items, £990. It's a lot of money. You kind of want items that you fall in love with. I haven't fallen in love with anything, but at the end of the day, it is a mystery box and you can return it if you don't like it. So each drop is different. You're gonna get different things and it really just depends on the drop, but I'm not mad at it. I'm just gonna wait for the next drop. And it really is luck of the draw and it really just depends. So if you like this video and you want to see the next contemporary box, then make sure to subscribe.